What if I told you sa Pampanga lang ito? At alam mo what's even better? Sulit na sulit siya sa napakamurang halaga. Hello Wanderers! Pack your bags because we're about to unlock another memory together. Today, bibisitahin natin ang isa sa pinaka-unique at visually stunning attractions sa SM City, Pampanga, ang Space and Time Cube. Sa unang tingin pa lang, akala mo nasa ibang bansa ka na o nasa isang futuristic movie set. Pero hindi, nasa Pampanga lang ito. For a very affordable entrance fee, makaka-experience ka ng iba't ibang immersive rooms filled with lights, mirrors, colors, and optical illusions na talagang mapapawaw ka talaga. Pagpasok pa lang namin, agad na ako na-amaze. Bawat room may sariling vibe, may sariling experience. May mga areas na parang endless ang space dahil sa reflections. May mga rooms na sobrang colorful at meron ding mga spots na perfect para sa photos and videos. Pero higit sa lahat, hindi lang siya pang picture. Habang naglalakad ka, para kang nag-e-explore ng iba't ibang mundo sa loob ng isang attraction. Every corner feels different kaya hindi nakakasawa. Honestly, ito yung mga klase ng lugar na nagpapaalala sa akin na hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng malaki o bumiyahe ng malayo para magkaroon ng memorable experience. Sometimes, it all takes a little curiosity and a willingness to explore something new. At alam nyo guys, isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit mahal ko ang pagta-travel ay dahil sa feeling of wonder. Yung excitement na makita at maranasan ang mga bagay na hindi mo makikita araw-araw. And that's what exactly I felt here. Whether you're visiting with friends, family, or your special someone, or kahit solo traveler ka, I think you'll enjoy exploring this place. It's fun, interactive, creative, and definitely worth adding to your Pampanga itinerary. For the entrance fee, adult is around 780 pesos. For kids, is around 580 pesos and free naman siya hanggang 2 years old. You can book online through Klook or purchase tickets directly at Space and Time Cube located inside SM City, Pampanga. If you're looking for a unique experience that's fun, Instagram-worthy, and sulit for price, this might be your next stop. Until the next adventure, this is Wanderella, another memory unlocked.